My colleague from the Ministry, Shri Raghavendra Singh, Joint Secretary Films, Mrs. Kotru, Director Films, respected Principal Secretaries from the State Governments and other representatives, respected colleagues from the Central Government Ministries, representatives of the media chambers, business houses, and representatives from the media, print and electronic media, and friends. It's indeed a matter of great privilege and pride to be present amongst all of you today on this one-day workshop that we proposed to convene on the issue of a very exciting and important issue of single window clearance for shooting of films in India. You are already aware that this is a subject matter which is emerging in a fast way. It's engaged the attention of a lot of Indian media personalities as well as foreign media, production houses, and we thought it's better that we have an engagement and a dialogue with all of you to decide on the way forward as to how we go ahead with this approach and create a mechanism by which we can all be on the same page. India is emerging as an important filming destination, and we certainly want from the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting to facilitate this attempt to create it as a hub for filming in India. It makes great commercial sense to shoot in India. The issues such as digital dominance, revenue assessment, foreign production, co-production, post-production subjects, these are emerging as the great subjects of relevance in today's context. We are aware that there are multiplicity of agencies which are engaged in this task of grant of various clearances at different levels in government, both state government as well as central government. The attempt is basically to simplify, rationalize procedures and make it simpler for foreign productions, foreign producers to come into India and shoot in India. The procedures need to be simplified, and we all have to make a collective effort in this direction. There was a proposal earlier mooted by the ministry for setting up a film commission in India. Discussions were held with the Planning Commission in this regard, but after discussions with the Planning Commission, it was decided that as a first step, let us constitute an interministerial task force, a committee, which was headed by Secretary INB. We held some discussions in April 2013 with the stakeholders in the central government, and key ministries were invited to participate in these discussions. The key ministries such as Defense, Ministry of Home Affairs, Railways, Tourism, Culture, all these ministries were invited, and interactive session was held to arrive at some kind of consensus as to what could be our approach for having a single window clearance and prescribe timelines for getting these clearances done. A website is also being constructed here in the Ministry of INB, which will basically indicate all the steps that are required for getting the clearances at various levels and provide information to all the foreign product producers as to how should they proceed with the grant of clearances at government and state government level. We are in no way keen to dilute the existing rules and procedures which have already been defined, because we do appreciate that there are concerns regarding aerial shooting, the concerns regarding foreign crew members, the security clearances. We do appreciate those concerns, and keeping all these concerns in mind, we still feel that there is a need to define certain timelines and maybe make the system more transparent and clear. Social media, as we are all aware, is emerging as a fast tool for interactive communication. I think this is social media which is important for all of us to harness and mobilize our resources and interact through this social medium, through Twitters, through blogs, through Facebooks, etc., so that we communicate and disseminate the information at a faster pace. There is a need for convergence of our strategies through the social media network. We are in the process in Ministry of INB to create a social media cell, for which the proposals are at an advanced stage. Our Minister, Mr. Manish Tiwari, Minister for Information and Broadcasting, is keenly following this up with the central government authorities. And this media cell would be 24/7, which will be operational, so that in areas not only in with regard to single window clearance of various film productions, but also on other important matters, we will be able to deliberate through this social media cell. It's a platform which will provide information online to all the information seekers, and we should be able to expedite this information at a faster pace. The committee which was set up under Secretary INB held its meetings, and they have already devised the standard operating procedures in consultation with all the stakeholders in Government of India. Very interesting views have emerged from Ministry of Defence, Ministry of Home Affairs, Tourism, Archaeology, Culture, Ministry of Finance, and we want to collate all these thoughts together and define the timelines. As you are all aware that we in government and the state government, we keep getting transferred from place to place. So irrespective of the personalities, I think there is a need for defining an institutionalized mechanism for grant of clearances and put it on the website as fast as possible. We are looking at a dream that if in a certain time frame we are able to achieve the grant of clearances online in a certain specified time frame, that will enable the foreign producers to come in at a faster pace. They will generate employment opportunities in India, impart skills to our people in India, the young students, they would get involved, and also promote tourism and economic activity in the country. Before proceeding forward, we thought that there has never been an opportunity with all of us to interact with the state government, which are the key stakeholders in this entire process. So this is a first opportunity to interact with all of you. I think all of you will give your valuable suggestions in this regard, and I am sure that this interaction will prove to be very useful for all of us in the days to come. We should share some of the best practices that we have already organized in our state governments. We have the mechanisms in place. Some of the states have done an exceedingly good job. I know about it. And I think through sharing of experiences, we can devise new strategies to ensure that the whole scheme of grant of clearances is simplified and rationalized. I think the deliberations at today's meetings will go a long way in devising and evolving all-out strategy for grant of clearances and facilitate the foreign film producers to come into India and even Indian film producers to avail of this opportunity to get the clearances in time so that they can get on to their task at a faster pace. I thank you for coming and joining us for today's deliberations, and really look forward to the interesting discussions, your valuable suggestions in this process, and hope that it will be a great success for all of us. Thank you very much.